Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple chocolate lava cake. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for many other recipes of yummy food. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I'm using dark chocolate wafers here because they are easier to melt. In baking, we always use eggs in large size. Spray and brush the inside of paper cups with oil first. Melt butter first. Melt chocolate wafers in a pot of steamy water or in a double boiler. Place all ingredients in a blender. Blend everything into a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture into the baking cups. Refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Preheat convection oven at 425 Fahrenheit. Convection bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. Decorate the lava cake with strawberries and serve it with vanilla ice cream. You may refrigerate or freeze the lava cakes for later use. Just defrost the frozen lava cakes in fridge. Then microwave it for 10 seconds to warm it up. Warm chocolate lava cake with vanilla ice cream is such a yummy combination. Enjoy!